kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 2 science olympiad. And in class 2 science olympiad, which portion we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF NSO level 1 exam. Okay. So in our previous session, we have already discussed some questions, and in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay. So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, select the plant that can be placed in the same group to which plant X belongs. Options are A. Watermelon plant, B. Pea plant, C. Cotton plant, D. Mint plant. Okay. So here we have a plant X. So we have to find out the plant that can be placed in the same group to which plant X belongs. Okay. So the plant X, as you can see, it is China rose or hibiscus plant. Okay. Yes. So this hibiscus plants, it is a shrub. So we have to find out which of the following is a shrub. So coming to the watermelon plant, that is watermelon plant, that is a creeper. So they are having very big stems, so they creep on the ground. Okay. Coming to the pea plant, it is a climber. So these are also having big stem, and they need a support. Okay, and on that support they try to climb. Then the cotton plant, it is a shrub, that is hard woody stem. Okay, and mint plant, that is the hard. Okay, so these are different types of plants. So which one will be the answer? It is option C, that is the cotton plant. Coming to the next question, select the option that correctly complete the given table. Animal sound, tiger, growl, donkey, X, Y, trumpet. And the options are for X and Y. A. Quack, pig. B. Me, duck. C. Chatter, horse. D. Bray, elephant. Okay. So tiger, it growls. Donkey. So what does donkey do? Okay. So donkey it brays. And which animal trumpet? So it is the elephant which trumpet. Okay. So what is the correct answer? That is option D, bray and elephant. Coming to the next question, which of the following organs is not protected by rib cage? Okay, so here some organs are there. We have to find out which of them are not protected by rib cage. So in the first option, we can see here it is the brain, and in the second option it is the heart, and in the third option that is the lungs. Okay, so which is not protected by rib cage? So we know that heart and lungs, these are protected by rib cage, but brain, it is protected by the skull bones. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer is the option A, that is brain. Coming to the next question, select the odd one out among the following. Options are A. Ludo, B. Carom, C. Chess, D. Football. So do you know the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So first you tell me on what basis we will find the odd one. Okay. So these Ludo, Carom, Chess, these are all indoor games, right? We play it inside the house. And football, it is a outdoor game. We play it outside our house. Okay. So on this basis, option D, football, will be the odd one out. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question, refer to the given figure showing the positions of shadow of a pole formed at time X and Y and select the correct option. So here a figure is there. For X and Y, the options are A. 11 a.m. 5 p.m. B. 12 a.m. 5 a.m. C. 11 p.m. 5 p.m. D. 12 p.m. and 5 a.m. So in the first picture, that is X, here we can see the directions are given. It is the shadow, it is formed towards the west. Okay, it is formed towards the west. That means it is the morning time. Right? Because in the morning, sun is in the east direction, and you can see the length of the shadow, it is very short. So when the length of the shadow is short, when the sun is about to go to just above our head. Okay, not exactly above our head, it is moving towards our head. Okay, so that means it is the late morning time. And in this why we can see the shadow, it is towards east direction. So it is towards east direction means the sun that will be in the west direction. So and the shadow is that is it is lengthy. So it is means going towards evening time. Okay, so we have to find the late morning and evening time. Late morning, yes, it can be 11 a.m. and the evening, that can be the 5 p.m. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A, x 11 a.m. y 5 p.m. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question, which road sign is not given in the box? Options are A, overtaking prohibited, B, school ahead, C, U-turn prohibited, D, no parking. So here three pictures are there. The first picture, you know, it is U-turn prohibited. Okay, that is the C. And the second picture you can see here, it means school ahead. That is option B. Then this last one, it is A, that means overtaking prohibited. So which one of the following is not in the box? That is no parking, option D. You know how no parking is indicated? This sign. Got it? So coming to the next question, identify X in the given flow chart. So here a flow chart is there, X, and under X cotton and jutes are there. And the options are A, plant, B, animal, C, chemical, D, both A and B. So we know that cotton and jute both are plants, right? So what will be X? It is option A, that is plant. Coming to the next question, Rohan has come back after playing in the park. He is feeling tired and should have dashed to get instant energy. Okay, so you know which food they give us instant energy? The jata means banana. It gives us the instant energy. Okay, it is containing various nutrients. It is also containing carbohydrates, and so banana, it gives us the instant energy. You know, as glucose gives us the instant energy. Likewise, banana also gives us the instant energy. Got it? Yes. Coming to the next question, Shreya filled some water in a glass tumbler and sold. Her friends Swati, Sumit and Rati saw this and made following statements. Swati, the glass tumbler is half filled with water. Sumit, the glass tumbler is half filled with air. Rati, there is only water and no air in glass tumbler. Who among them made the correct statement? Option A, Rati only, B, Sumit only, C, Swati and Rati only, D, Swati and Sumit only. So you can see this. Okay, what is there? Half is filled with water and the other half, that is filled with what? Air. Right? This portion is air. You know, in our surrounding, if you cannot feel anything is present, that is the air which is present around us. Okay, so Swati is correct that the glass tumbler is half filled with water. Sumit is also correct, the glass tumbler is half filled with air, but Rati is not correct. So what will be the correct answer? We have to find the correct statement, that is option D, Swati and Sumit only. Got it? Coming to the next question, select the option that correctly fill in the blank in the given written. Bleat, I say I eat grass and hay. I give you milk to drink. My baby is called dash. Options are A kid, B calf, C calf, D joy. So here this could be a goat. And you know what is the baby goat known as? It is the kid. So correct answer is option A, that is kid. Coming to next question, study the given map of a locality. what is located east to the post office? Options are A. Children Park, B. Hospital, C. Ria's home, D. Shopping mall. Okay, so here directions are there, right? Yes. So we have to find out what is located east to post office. So this is our post office to the east. Temple is there, shopping mall is there, right? Yes. So as per the given options, we have shopping mall as option D, right? Yes. So next question, the given figure shows a plant with some label part P, Q, R and S. Part dash carries food from dash to all other parts of the plant. Options are A, P, S, B, Q, R, C, R, S, D, S, Q. So we can see here P is the root, Q is the stem, R that is leaves, S that is flower. So what we need to find out, which part carries food. So you know food that is means food is prepared in the leaf, right? In the plant leaf they prepare the food, and after preparation the food is carried from these leaves to all other parts of the plant. Okay, so here part dash carries from dash to all other parts from leaves. So from leaves, so it is leaves. Who carries? Stem carries. Right? Yes. So here the correct answer is option B, that is Q and R. Coming to the next question, which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Options are A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Earth, D. Neptune. It is a very easy question. I guess you all must be knowing the answer. Yes. So if you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So yes, what is the answer? It is Mercury. That is option A. Coming to the next question, study the given relationship and select the option which correctly identifies X. Hen, 2, dog, X. Options are A, stable, B, style, C, kennel, D, set. So we know that home of hen, that is home. So can you tell me what is the home for a dog is called? Yes, it is kennel, right? So correct answer is option C, that is kennel. Coming to the next question, which among the following is the hardest mineral? Options are A, graphite, B, diamond, C, quartz, D, rock. So here among the given options, what is the hardest mineral? So the hardest mineral, that is the hardest substance, that is the diamond. Option B. And you know an interesting thing, that diamond, it is made up of carbon. Yes? Okay. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.